In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the built-in ruler on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. So first, open the settings app and then select display. Under display, tap on edge panels and then ensure that this feature is enabled. From there, select panels and ensure that in your panels, you've selected the option labeled tools. Once it's been selected, you can now go back to the home screen and then just swipe to reveal your edge panel. Once it's been revealed, look for the one that shows the compass or look for the one labeled tools. Then tap on the three dots and select ruler. From here, you should see your ruler. Now you have two formats for this ruler. You have centimeters and you also have inches. You can also choose to increase or decrease the size of the ruler. Just tap on calibrate and then drag your finger on the ruler itself to increase or decrease its size to your liking. Then ensure that you tap on done to save the changes. You can do this for both modes, inches and centimeters. And once you're finished, tap on done. Now you can safely use your ruler on your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.